here to show you what it looks like with no skin, no eyes. Hi. Oh, I'm embarrassed. I don't have any skin yet. You definitely don't want to make the head out of the 3/4 inch foam because it will just be too thick and too heavy. It sounds crazy that the foam would be too heavy, but actually when it's on your arm for a long period of time, this 3/4 inch is like twice the weight as the 1/2 inch. Another thing is you have to be able to get your hand in the back of the head, and the 3/4 inch is so thick that it doesn't allow a nice big hollow space in the head. It's too tight. Also, the way that your hand enters the Muppet is actually from the back of the head. It's not from the neck or the throat as you might think. It's not a very comfortable position to be like this. You're really more like this.